Good morning, everyone. Today, now we discuss the continued chapter of what waves and sound. Now we discuss the type. What is the sound and types of sound, properties of sound, Newton's Laplace equation, determining the density of the speed of sound, variation of velocity of a sound, and ultrasonic waves and ultrasonography. Now first discuss on the sound definition. What is mean by sound? What is sound? Sound is a energy. It is a form of energy which will be produced by of water vibrating of a body of a body. What is mean by sound? It is now we see the definition. What is that? It is a form of energy which is produced by the vibration of an bodies. In this we have to be see the how the sound will be produced by any three stages. Let's see. In first stage what happens? The sound will be momented from what to and fourth moment of any body. Then by that vibration what happens? The sound will be produces and how that will be transferred. In the second stage the vibration are transmitted by air separating the vibrating of any body, and at the last stage what happens? By the separating of a vibrating body that will be received by the brain. This is the three stages of a sound how we will get in the audible sound. What is that? Definition is it is a form of an energy which is produced by the vibration of a bodies. In this we have to be see the three stages. In the first stage what happens? There will be a movement of an vibrating by a to and fourth moment of a body. In the second stage what happens? The vibrations are transmitted by an air separating the vibrating body, and at the last stage what happens? The vibrating body separated by an air which will be received by the brain. This is the three stages of a sound. Now we see the types of sound. These types of sound will be differentiated by the frequency ranges. In this we have to see the three types of sound. First one is of what? Infrasonic, and second one is audible, and the third one is of what? Ultrasonic. Now first we discuss of what? Infrasonic sound, which is of what? In this the body will be vibrating less than the 20 hertz per second. The frequency range is of what? 20 hertz per second, which means of what? The body will be vibrating 20 times in a second. That will be called as of what? Infrasonic sounds. And then now which are not hearable, and then audible sound, which is the body will be vibrating with a frequency range of what? 20 vibrations per second to of what? 20,000 vibrations. These are of called the audible sound or the human hearable sound of frequency range. And now ultrasonic sound. In this what happens? The body or a particle which will be vibrating in the range of what? Exceeds in the 20,000 hertz per second. These are called as of what? The ultrasonic sound. These are the three types of a sound.